So welcome back. In today's video, we are going to solve Bandit level 20, 21 and 22. So I'm gonna just read the level goal. There is a set UID binary in the home directory that does the following. It makes a connection to the local host on the port you specify as a command line argument. It then reads a line of text from the connection and compares it to the password in the previous level. If the password is correct, it will transmit the password for the next level. Try connecting to your own network daemon to see if it works as you think. So let's copy Bandit Labs. We'll say SSH. We'll say Bandit 20 at the rate. We'll paste it and we'll specify the port. That is 2220. So this is the password for the Bandit level 20. If you don't know how I got this, just watch the previous videos. We'll paste it and we are connected. Let's clear the screen. So this is NC is for netcat. The command runs a utility for sending raw data over a network connection, and I would show the information related to netcat over here. So we are going to see what file it is. This is su connect. We'll see su connect. The file command show what kind of file it is, and we can execute this file. So we'll just execute this file. So this program will connect to the given port on localhost using TCP. See what this does. So we'll do this and nc help. We can do something like, okay, we'll do echo netcat listen on. We can set our listener netcat on port number. Let's say we'll do 444 and we'll press enter, and then we have to run it on in the background. So this is the PID, and now we can connect to this netcat listener by that program. We'll execute this on port number 444, and we are doing this and sending it to the netcat listener. So the file read the password and gave us the password for the next level. So we'll copy this. So we got this. Let's clear this. Control D, clear, and now we are moving to level 21. A program is running automatically at regular intervals from cron, the time-based job scheduler. Look in for the configuration, the directory for the configuration, see what command is being executed. First of all, we have to connect to the server. We'll do bandit 2021. Sorry, 21. We'll do bandit 21. Press enter. Paste the password. We'll clear the screen. We have to copy this. We'll copy this. We'll paste this, and we'll do cd. We'll do ls. So if we do ls.l al, we can see what permissions we have, and from here we found out that there is a file which is getting executed from this location. So we'll just cat, we'll copy this from here, and we are going to paste that. So saves bandit pass, it saves bandit pass inside a temp directory under the file name this. So now we have to cat this. So we'll do cat, and we got the password for level 2022. We are going to save it. We are going to clear the screen. We are going to disconnect from here, and we are moving to level 22. A program is running automatically at regular intervals from cron. The time-based job scheduler look in this for the configuration and see what commands been executed. So now we have to do something similar that we did in level 2021. Sorry, 21. We'll first connect to bandit 22. We'll paste the password. We'll clear the screen. Note, looking at a shell script written by other people is very useful skill. The script for this level is intentionally made easy to read. If you are having problem understanding what it does, try executing it to see the debug information it prints. Let's see what it's there in the file. We'll just cd in that file, do ls, and now we have to cat this file. We'll cat cron job 23, and we can see there is a file been executed from this location. We'll copy the location and we'll cat the file. What we can do is we'll copy this, we'll do nano, we'll paste it, press enter, we'll clear this. We'll say bandit 23. So this file, if you execute this file, it echoes the my name, it checks it, and then it kind of saves the password inside this my target, and we are going to copy this and we are going to exit it. We are going to cd temp. We'll make a file that is nano pass for bandit 23.sh. Press enter. We'll paste this, we'll save, and we'll exit, and we wrote a file. I will do chmod x, and we'll copy this, we'll paste it, and we are going to execute it. So we got copying password file etc bandit 23 to this particular file. So now what we have to do is have to copy, and we have to cat this file, and we got the password for bandit23. We'll just add this password. We'll clear the screen. So thank you for watching.